It's likely he'll know what to hear, but if he does... Tell him I'm grateful. Tell him I trust him. And tell him I hate him to the very marrow of his bones.
The buzzing. It's so loud. I'm not ready, Jamie. I'm not ready. Come with me. Come with me through the stones.
I can't.
You could try. You hear it, right? The buzzing.
I don't hear anything, Claire. Even if I could go back through the stones, it's not my place. My destiny lies on Culloden Moor.